Welcome back to the front lines of automotive excellence, where today we are witnessing a significant moment in the evolution of the super SUV. The Lamborghini Urus has long been the gold standard for those who want supercar performance in a versatile package, and the latest SE model has taken that mission into the electrified era. With its plug-in hybrid powertrain delivering a staggering 789 horsepower, the Urus SE is a technical masterpiece. However, for a certain caliber of enthusiast, factory specifications are merely a starting point.
This brings us to the latest creation from the artisans at Larte Design. Known globally for their ability to add a layer of aggressive sophistication to the world's most prestigious vehicles, Larte has just pulled the covers of their comprehensive carbon fiber body kit designed specifically for the Urus SE. This isn't just a collection of parts, it is a total visual transformation that elevates the hybrid bull to an entirely new level of street presence. To understand why this kit matters, we first have to look at the Urus SE itself.
As the first plug-in hybrid from the Raging Bull's SUV division, it balances a twin-turbo V8 engine with a powerful electric motor. It is a vehicle that commands respect, but Larte Design felt that the factory styling could benefit from a more muscular and defined aesthetic. Their new carbon fiber program is a masterclass in high-end tuning, utilizing lightweight materials to enhance the car's lines without compromising the engineering integrity that Lamborghini worked so hard to achieve. The moment you see a Larte-equipped Urus SE, you realize that the standard version suddenly looks a bit too polite. The transformation begins at the front, where Larte has introduced a completely redesigned hood. This isn't just a cosmetic overlay, it is a full replacement piece made from high-grade carbon fiber. It features more aggressive venting and sharper creases that not only look incredible, but also hint at the massive cooling requirements of that hybrid powertrain. Moving down the front fascia, we see a new multi-piece splitter.
This element gives the Urus a much lower and more predatory stance, visually pulling the car toward the asphalt. The weave of the carbon fiber is perfectly aligned, showing the level of craftsmanship that Larte puts into every component. The air intakes have also been refined, with carbon surrounds that tie the whole front end together into a cohesive, menacing face. As we move to the side profile, the story of aggression continues. Larte has developed custom side sills that bridge the gap between the front and rear wheels.
These sills are more than just flat boards. They feature aerodynamic winglets that redirect airflow and provide a sense of continuity to the wide-body look. Filling those arches are Larte's own custom forged wheels. These wheels are designed to withstand the immense torque of the hybrid system while reducing unsprung weight, further enhancing the car's handling characteristics. The contrast between the vibrant paint of the Urus and the deep, glossy carbon fiber of the sills and wheels creates a visual depth that is hard to ignore.
However, it is at the rear of the vehicle where the Larte Design kit truly makes its boldest statement. The Urus SE already features a redesigned rear end compared to the previous Performante or S models, but Larte has taken it several steps further. The centerpiece is a massive rear diffuser that looks as though it was lifted straight from a GT3 racing car. It features deep vertical fins that manage the air exiting from beneath the vehicle, framed by custom exhaust tips that provide a deeper, more resonant bark to the V12 rivaling V8 engine.
Above the diffuser, Larte has implemented a sophisticated double spoiler strategy. There's a prominent wing mounted at the edge of the roofline and a secondary lip spoiler integrated into the tailgate. Together, these elements don't just add visual flair, they work to optimize downforce and stability at the high speeds this 789 horsepower monster is capable of reaching. The material used throughout the kit is top-tier dry carbon fiber, which is the same stuff you find on Formula One cars and aerospace components. This ensures that while the Urus looks much heavier and more muscular, the actual weight gain is negligible. In fact, in some areas, the carbon replacements might even save a few pounds. Larte offers these components in several finishes, allowing owners to choose between a classic high-gloss look or a more stealthy matte finish, depending on their personal taste. This level of customization is what sets Larte apart in a crowded aftermarket scene. They understand that a Lamborghini owner isn't looking for a one-size-fits-all solution. They want something that reflects their individual style. The installation of the kit is also designed to be as seamless as possible. Larte takes pride in the fact that their components use factory mounting points wherever possible, ensuring a perfect fit and finish that rivals what you would find coming out of the Santa Agata Bolognese factory itself. This is a crucial point for owners of such expensive machinery. They want the assurance that the modifications won't damage the underlying structure or cause issues with the car's sophisticated sensor arrays and cameras. Larte has spent months in the prototyping phase to ensure that all the safety features and aerodynamic sensors of the Urus SE remain fully functional. In a world where the SUV market is becoming increasingly saturated, even at the ultra-luxury level, standing out is harder than ever.
The Lamborghini Urus SE is undoubtedly a masterpiece of modern engineering, but the Larte Design carbon kit is the final piece of the puzzle for those who want their vehicle to be as unique as their fingerprint. It takes the hybrid bull and sharpens its horns, creating a machine that is as intimidating in a rearview mirror as it is beautiful to look at when parked. As we see more of these kits hitting the streets, it is clear that Larte Design has once again raised the bar for what is possible in the world of high-end automotive tuning.
They haven't just modified a car, they have enhanced an icon. Whether you are cruising through the city or tearing up the highway, the Larte-equipped Urus SE is a testament to the power of carbon fiber and the vision of a tuning house that refuses to settle for anything less than perfection.